It's a girl Aditi here. Today's video is my first impressions on all the new skincare and hair care products. Like, it's been ages since I stopped using any products on my skin and hair. Like, other than shampoo and a face wash, I do not apply anything else including moisturizer or conditioner for hair. Nothing I use, and it's been really gonna be giving you guys my first impression on all the new products that I picked up both for skin as well as hair. The thing is, all of the products that I got are completely clean and natural products. They do not contain loads of chemicals or anything that's going to damage the skin or hair in the future. So having said that, let's get started. First new product that I thought I'd just give it a shot is this Plum Goodness Hawaiian Rumba range product. It's basically a pit deodorizing cream, and I thought I'd just give it a try. Just take a scoop of it and apply it on your underarms, and it's supposed to smell good for 12 straight hours. If I'm home, I do not use any product, but if I'm going out, then I apply deodorant. I didn't want like so much chemicals on it. This one seemed to have comparatively less ingredients that are really toxic, so I just thought of giving it a try. But the bottle and all is like not convenient because it's again a bottle and it comes with a spatula. Packaging is really cute. The cost of the product is about 345 rupees. That's quite a lot for such a small tiny product, but then I got it on sale from Amazon for just about 299 rupees. I just tried it out once while at home. It smells really great. I like this Hawaiian Rumba range product. I hope they come in the twist up deodorant form, then it's more easier and convenient to use. But still, nevertheless, I like the product. I like the idea behind it, but I do not know how long the fragrance stays because I haven't tried it long enough to tell you guys how long it stays, but it definitely worth a try. The next newest product that I thought of trying it is this product, Urban Botanics Advanced Lip Scrub. I've never tried anything for lips all this while, and I was just browsing on Amazon. I came to know that this had like all the clean ingredients possible: brown sugar and walnut shell and coconut oil. I just tried it for once. So this comes in a beautiful glass bottle. This is how exactly the product looks. When I smell it, it gives me like the boomer smell, you know, the boomer chewing gum. It gives me exactly the boomer smell of it, and it's quite strong. For a minute it's good. After that, it's kind of like too much getting into my nose, and I tried only once on my lips. Lips are very soft after using it, but it also claims to take care of the pigmentation of the lips. I don't know how far that is true. Probably for that I have to use it like multiple times, but in terms of removing the dead cells, making the lip really smooth, it really does that. But it is super waxy. It's kind of getting difficult to remove it. Otherwise, I really like to give it a shot, and I'm just gonna keep trying like a couple of more times to see exactly if it works on pigmentation or anything. I scrubbed once and I really liked it, and this one was about like 499 rupees, the original price, which is again too much. But then I got it for like 299 rupees from Amazon, again on sale. Now the thing is, you just need a very little quantity to use it on your lips. So this is gonna last for years together. I've had severe acne for like more than 10-12 years straight, and just recently I figured out the cause for it, and I completely cured my acne by myself after trying numerous experiments and failing on it. So I do not want to try any skincare because I know pimples are not caused because of skincare or anything. First time I picked up a new skincare and I thought of giving it a try. The Kumkumadi Thailam. I've heard so many good things about this Kumkumadi Thailam, but I've never used personally because mine is an oily skin. The Live Light brand. It also comes with this filler type thing, so it's easier to use it and not waste anything. You just have to apply it on your skin and remove it within half an hour if you are an oily skin. But I did not know that this oil actually stinks. It really stinks, okay? You need like really strong tolerance power to actually apply it on your face. It's like too much for me. I am unable to try it. I know it's Ayurvedic oil, it's gonna smell like that, but I just figured out it's got like saffron and things like that in it, so I thought it's gonna smell nice, but it's definitely not. I just tried it once and I did not have a good experience in terms of smell, and also I just got tiny bumps on my face. I did not know if it's because of this or something else, but I'm just gonna give it a shot one more time before completely deciding on the product whether I should keep it or ditch it. The same goes for this also. I got this from the same brand, Live Light. This is called as a Nalapramadi Thailam. Again, I got this from Amazon. These are the brands that I've never heard of it anywhere else, and I just browsed through the Amazon list everything, so it's really cool to actually see the ingredients, the reviews and everything about a product. I'm yet to give this a shot. I know it's good. I know it's going to do wonders if I'm just going to tolerate the smell, but it's kind of difficult to do that. This is a detan oil for the skin. You can just apply it in circular motions on the affected part or any part that you feel like you think you have got tans, or even if you do not have tan, you can just apply it. So it removes all the discoloration. This is something to be used as a detan option on your face and body and your legs or anywhere you feel like it's tanned, and then leave it for 20 minutes, and then you can just have to wash it off. with gram flour, or you can just wash it up with lukewarm water. It's going to completely detan. Even if it doesn't do good, it's not going to do harm. Okay, now moving on to hair care products. Mama Earth shampoo. It's a rice water shampoo and rice water conditioner. So these are the two products that I just got it recently from the brand. I like the packaging of it. I like the pump format. I've just used it 2 or 3 times. But post COVID, I actually got a lot of hair fall because of COVID. I just thought I just switch my shampoo from my regular shampoo and give these a shot. Best part about it is it's like paraben and silicone free. Again, it's suitable for all hair types. For the 3 or 4 times I use this product is really good. It gives tremendous volume. You know, after using the shampoo, hair is like this. It's like got too much volume on it. 349 rupees. It's available on multiple sites. You can get discounts on these products as well on Amazon. And also, I'm just gonna give you guys a code. If you're gonna use that code IO2021, you're gonna get 20% off on purchase of these products or any of the Mama Earth products. So use that code to get 20% off from Mama Earth website. And I have linked all the products that I showed in today's video on the link below with the discounts. So do not forget to check the links of the products down below. Soon I'll give you a vlog review of all the products after using it like thoroughly, completely for ages and seeing a difference. If this product actually gives a change or not, I'll just give you a detailed review on it.